Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix error code that is 0x80073cf3. So if you are receiving this error code while installing Microsoft Flight Simulator game or while installing any games or any application from Microsoft Store, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now there are multiple steps, so at the end of each step you can go ahead and try to install the game. Still you are facing the problem, then move on to the next step. So first of all, make sure that the date and time is correct on your computer. So on the bottom right of your screen, here you can see the date and time. So make a right click on the date and time and then click on adjust date and time, and make sure that set time automatically and set time zone automatically is on over here. So if this is off, you can go ahead and turn this on, and then you can go ahead and try to install the game. The next step is to sign out and sign in again on Microsoft Store. So open Microsoft Store, and then on the top right here you can see your profile icon. Click on it. Then select your account, then click on sign out, and then again click on the profile icon on the top right, and then click on sign in, select your account, then click on continue, then enter the PIN or password, and then you can go ahead and try to install the game. And also make sure that you're using the same account with which you purchased the game. So make sure you're using the same account. The next step is to update Windows 10. To update Windows 10, go to the start menu, then click on the settings, then click on update and security, and then click on check for update. And once the update is installed, restart your computer and then try to install the game once again. Now the next step is to update Store app. To update Store app, open Microsoft Store. On the top right here you can see the three dots. Click on it, then click on download and updates, and then click on get updates. And once this is done, you can go ahead and install the game once again. Now still you are facing the problem, then go ahead and reset Windows 10 update components. To do so, open command prompt. So go ahead and type in cmd in Windows search, and then make a right click on command prompt, then click on run as administrator, then click on yes to allow, and then copy this command. The commands are provided in the video description, and then paste it on the command prompt window, and then hit the enter key on the keyboard, and then run the second command. And once this is done, do not close the command prompt window. Go ahead and delete these two files. So open File Explorer, then go to this PC, then open C drive, then open the Windows folder, then find software distribution folder. So here you can see software distribution.old. So you might see old or you might see back. So if you see any one of these, go ahead and delete this folder. So make a right click, then click on delete. Do not delete software distribution. Go ahead and delete software distribution.old or back. So make a right click, then click on delete. And once this is done, you can restart your computer, and then you have to go ahead and first of all restart these services. So copy this command and then paste this command in the command prompt window, and then hit the enter key. This will go ahead and start the service once again, and then run the second command to restart this service. Now go ahead and restart your computer and then try to install the game. The next step is to run Windows Store app Troubleshooter. So go ahead and go to the start menu, then click on settings, then click on update and security, then click on troubleshoot, click on additional troubleshooter, and then scroll down, and here you can see Windows Store apps. Then click on run the troubleshooter, and once this is done, you can go ahead and try to install the game once again. The next step is to clear store cache using ws reset command. So you can go ahead and type in ws reset in Windows search, and then make a right click on ws reset, then click on run as administrator. Then you will see this black screen. Do not close this black screen. Just wait for this black screen to go away. So it may take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute for this black screen to go away. And once this is gone, it will open Microsoft Store once again, and then you can go ahead and try to install the game once again. Now here you can see the black screen is gone and Microsoft Store is open. Now you can go ahead and try to install the game once again. Now still you're facing the problem, then you can go ahead and reset the store app. To reset the store app, you can go to settings once again and then click on apps and then scroll down and find store, Microsoft Store in the list. So you can just simply type in store over here and then click on Microsoft Store and then click on advanced option. Scroll down and here you can go ahead and click on reset, and this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details, so you might have to log in once again. So click on reset, and once this is done, you can go ahead and open Microsoft Store and then you can go ahead and try to install the game once again. The next step is to clear the local cache folder, so you can go ahead and go to this location. So go ahead and copy this command and paste it over here in the search box over here, and then open local app data and then find this packages, go to packages. So open the packages folder, open this packages folder. Now find Microsoft Windows Store _ some character over here. So find this folder. So here you can see Microsoft Windows Store, this folder. So open this folder and then open the local cache folder. So here you can see local cache, open this folder, and if you find anything over here, select everything and then make a right click and then click on delete. So select everything over here and delete it, and after that go ahead and try to install the game once again. Now still you are facing the problem, then restart Microsoft Install Services. So go ahead and type in services in Windows search and then make a right click on services, then click on run as administrator and then find Microsoft Install Service. So here you can see Microsoft Store Install Service. So make a double click on it, then make sure the startup type is set to automatic, and then if the start is highlighted, click on start and then click on apply and then click on OK, and then make a right click on Microsoft Store Install Service and then click on restart. And once this is done, you can go ahead and try to install the game once again. Still you are facing the problem, then re-register store. To re-register store, copy this command. The command is provided in the video description, and then open PowerShell. So go ahead and type in PowerShell in Windows search box and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell, then click on run as administrator, then click on yes to allow, and then paste the command and then hit the enter key on the keyboard and then run the second command. And then hit the enter key on the keyboard, and once this is done, restart your computer and then try to install the game once again. Now still you are facing the problem, then go ahead and uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Store. So to uninstall, you can go ahead and copy this command, again open PowerShell. So go ahead and type in PowerShell in Windows search, make a right click on Windows PowerShell, then click on run as administrator, then click on yes to allow, run the command and then hit the enter key on the keyboard. And once this is done, you won't be able to open store once again. So if you try to open store, it will not open up. So after this, go ahead and restart your computer. So after this, go ahead and restart your computer. A restart is necessary. So go to the start menu, then click on the power icon, then restart. And after the restart, open Microsoft Store once again. Open PowerShell, I'm sorry. So open PowerShell, go ahead and type in PowerShell in Windows search box and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell, then click on run as administrator, then click on yes to allow, and then run the second command, and this will reinstall the Microsoft Store on your computer. So paste the command, then hit the enter key on the keyboard, and once this is done, you can go ahead and try to open store. So you can go ahead and type store. It may take few seconds. So here you can see Microsoft Store is available now, and you can go ahead and open Microsoft Store, and then you can go ahead and try to install. If it is asking you to log into your Microsoft Store account, you can go ahead and log in, but in my case it's already logged in, so go ahead and install the game. Still you are facing the problem, then go ahead and run this SFC and DRSM command. To run this command, you can go ahead and copy this command and then open PowerShell window once again, and then make a right click, then click on run as administrator, then click on yes to allow, paste the command and then hit the enter key on the keyboard. And once the scan is 100%, then once this is 100%, run the second command. And make sure this is 100% complete, then only you run the second command. So go ahead and type in PowerShell once again, and then make a right click on the PowerShell, and then click on Run as Administrator, then click on Yes to allow, and then paste the second command, and then hit the Enter key on the keyboard. And once this scan is 100% complete, restart your computer and then try to open Microsoft Store, and then launch try to install the game. The next step is to run inetcpl.cpl command. So you can go ahead and type in inetcpl.cpl, and you can open a run box, or you can simply paste it in the Windows search and then open inetcpl.cpl. Click on Run as Administrator, make a right click, then click on Run as Administrator, then open this. Go to the Advanced tab and then scroll down and make sure use TLS 1.2 is checked. If this is unchecked, go ahead and check it, and then click on Apply, OK, and then try to install your game. Now still you are facing the problem, then if nothing works, you can go ahead and use Media Creation tool to update your Windows 10 to the latest version. So you can copy this command. The command is provided in the video description. Open this link, and then it will take you to the Microsoft website. Here you can see Microsoft Media Creation tool. Click on Download tool now. Now once you click on Download tool now, a exe file will download. You have to go ahead and run this exe file, and this will open up a Microsoft Creation tool. So click on it, click on Yes to allow, and here you can see Media Creation tool is opening up now. Now agree to the terms, click on Accept, and then select the option which says Upgrade this PC now, and then click on Next, and it will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. So now before the installation, once the download is complete, before the installation you will see this screen which says Ready to install, and by default the option to keep your personal files and app will be checked. Now once this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, and then you can go ahead and click on Install, and once the installation is done, you can go ahead and open Microsoft Store, and then you can go ahead and try to install your game once again. So one of the steps should definitely help you to install the game successfully and get rid of this error message. And it's not only specific to this game. If you face this error message with any game or while installing any application from Microsoft Store, you can follow these troubleshooting. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.